here because it is ultra pure and ultra effective. A landmark clip.
The National Weather Service in Blacksburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Franklin County, northeastern Henry County until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time at 5:37 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Sontag to near Sidnersville to near Oak Level, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations impacted include Rocky Mount, Axton, Pinhook, Sidnersville, and Leatherwood. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds, as well as deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. For your safety, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Stay away from windows. When it is safe to do so, please send your reports of hail of any size, as well as any reports of wind damage, including downed trees or large limbs, to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free at 1-866-215-4324. Reports and pictures can also be shared on the National Weather Service Blacksburg Facebook page and on Twitter.
Improve your heart health and lower cholesterol. Enjoy sharper focus and concentration, and have boundless all-day energy. With Omax 3 Ultra Pure, you get ultra health benefits that you can see and feel in the first few days. Claim your free 30-day supply of Omax 3 today. All you do is pay the cost of shipping and processing. And call today because for a limited time, Prevention Pharmaceuticals is including a 30-day supply of vitamin D3. Vitamin D has been shown to improve calcium absorption, help balance blood pressure, and boost your immune system. So call now for your free Omax 3 Ultra Pure Fish Oil and Vitamin D supply.